Oh, that's a big moth. And it seems like they're like stuck together. Oh, they're fighting? They're fighting until they stuck together? Because they're alive. What's going on with these two big old moths? Wow. Never seen that before. Have you guys ever seen that before? Two moths stuck together, look like they're fighting, or they're mating. What's going on with these two moths? They're really big. I put my hand beside them. Let's see how big my hand is. Never seen two big ones like this, just beside each other, just doing this. I'm just saying. I was wondering if birds eat moths, because the birds were flying around and it was early in the morning and they were waking up. Oh yeah, they found them. That's all that's left, guys. Those moths did not survive the day. Yeah, I was wondering. Yeah, the birds found them. That's what's left. I'm just saying. It's the circle of life.